So in the last video, we got our response of when we asked how are you, we got our response from ChatGPT. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How are you? Let's also test the response for an image before we go further. So for that, we have to go to, let's first minimize this, chat provider, and here, as you can see, is text. We are setting it to true. Let's change this to false for testing an image. Then let's hot restart. Let's open our console. So now let's test the image generation. So for image generation, we can just say maybe a boy in a swimming pool. We can test this. Let's send that. So this is not ordered correctly, but we can order this later on through our Firebase query. So let's see. So what we are getting is a text response. You can see that we've got the answer, but we are getting a text response. We want to get the image response. So which means maybe we didn't read this. Is text. Let's see. Is text. Oh, because we are getting. Let's come back here. Is text where we are getting the. So after we get this, and then we come back inside here, we come back inside here. So is text, if it's true, we'll do this, else we'll do this. So we're supposed to get an image response here. Let's test if we are getting here. Say image. Let's see if our code is taking us here, and then we can also come back here and test if what we are getting here on is text. Let's get is text here. Let's see what we are getting. So let's hot restart. Let's send the same message. So we are getting true, which is not, that's why we're not getting an image. Here is text, we got it as true, but we want it to be false. So maybe let's stop the application and run it again. Okay, so let's try it again. A boy in a pool. Let's send. So we are getting the correct value, which is false. Okay. So you must provide a model. I thought we are providing a model. where is say model ID, model, why don't we have a model? So we have model, we are sending the model here, and then when we come here, this is our model. So on the image generation here, we are not providing a model here. So let's come back to our documentation. Then on the charts, let's minimize. Let's go to images. We did not call this. So let's copy this. Come back here. Then here, as you can see, we are still going to charts. Let's paste that here. Now we are going to the correct URL. So let's open our application and then hot restart. Let's send that message again. So we are successfully coming up to here. Okay, now we have our image. So let's copy this. You can just copy this for now. Copy URL, go back to our browser, and then we can paste that here and see the image that we have generated. Okay, so we have a boy in a pool. Great. So guys, we are now successfully getting the response for both the the image and the text. So we can remove this comment, and then we come back to chat provider. We can also remove this comment and then take this back to true. Later on, we are going to have the trigger in our application, or the option for the user to change from image to text. So we are going to stop this video right now. We have tested that we are communicating with ChatGPT for both text and image. The next thing to do is now to improve our code here to send ChatGPT's messages to Firestore so that we can display the user's message and ChatGPT's messages, and also to put these messages in the correct order. And the other thing that we need to do is to show a progress dialog here once the user is waiting. So we'll do all that in the next video.